Hey gang, Jesse and Nathaniel over here at EC Auto Repair. Wanted to cover our frequently asked questions. So Nathaniel, here's a question that came to us recently. I'd like to bring my own parts to the mechanic. I don't feel like that it's fair that a mechanic makes money on parts. I can buy them myself, bring them to the mechanic, best of both worlds.
It's a great question. So it depends on what we have going on. It's super important that anytime you have any issue that you're dealing with, we go ahead and just bring it straight in and let the technician take a look at it. I understand people wanting to bring their own parts, but what happens when we do that is it's more of we're going to take it to the technician and I need you to fix exactly this. Well, what if exactly this isn't what's causing the issue? So let's actually evaluate the full system. Let us get you what needs to be done. And then at the same time, those parts that you're going to provide aren't going to have as much warranty as my shops would. My shop or other shops have been through a really thorough process of vetting our vendors. And our vendors take really good care of us by offering us our 24-month, 24,000-mile warranty. Typically, when you go and buy a part from the store, it's maybe a 1-year warranty at most, if you even get that. The other side of the profit part of it, which I understand that we're trying to save money, but how an auto shop works is the labor's going to be what covers our employees, what pays for the job. The parts and the profit that a shop makes off the parts actually pays for the building for you to bring that vehicle to. It helps pay for bills, electricity, obviously the parts. It also helps just take care of any normal expenses that they have or any amenities that they offer for you, like complimentary drinks in the lobby, loaner vehicles. It covers all that good benefit stuff that we can get to you to make sure that you're going to be taken care of and not left without a vehicle.